So good morning everyone, and this is a session which we are recording for every student who are having fear about geography optional or they are searching certain type of guidance that how to attempt different type of questions. So in Aspire IAS, we are working in geography optional with few students with a target of 300 plus, and we already proved it so many times. So in these sessions, every day we are coming with some 10-year questions which are very innovative, and there is no books available to attempt this type of questions. So in 2010, UPSC asked one question: examine the problems and prospect of agro-based industry in Bihar. It was a question in 2010 in a compulsory question. Now we are having the limited resources. By utilizing that limited resources, we can complete the answer writing of this question. First of all, it is a 10-mark question, so my target is to write this question in 7 minutes. My format will go same. First, I can write 2-3 line introduction without making the heading. Heading नहीं डालना होता है, बस आपको बताने के लिए बता रहा हूँ. Introduction. After that, Bihar map, only Bihar section, where I can provide the agriculture resource. Then industries which are very prominent in Bihar, associated with agro-based industries, for problems and for prospect, and again one map, and in the last 2 lines of way forward or conclusion. This structuring in the mind is very important if we really want to score good marks. Now the introduction, I just write: India is a physiographic identity. India is a physiographic identity with diverse physiography, where Bihar physiography is mainly marked by Tarai region, Bhangar and Bhabhar. Maybe you heard this thing, geography optional आप लोगों का Bihar, Tarai region, Bhangar, Bhabhar, and confluence of so many Ganga river system and associated alluvial soil, which makes northern India, especially Bihar, a good fertile land. A good fertile land. Since ancient time till now, because of this geography, Bihar is one of the major center of education. Bihar is a major center of education to food processing industry. Then in the box, only a small box. I can construct the map of UP and Bihar. And here I can show so many rivers. Ganga, then Kali or Ghagra, Ghagra, Gandak, Budi Gandak, and Kosi. Great alluvial plains. Figure number 1, physiography of Bihar. Simple. So we can construct a very small map of Bihar by showing some rivers. Introduction, this segment is over. Then, because of its climatic conditions, local physiography, rivers, ponds, moist climate, and clay loamy soil.
तो here in this diagram और अलग से भी we can write that Bihar is a prominent producer of number one sugarcane, rice, कोकोनट. बिहार के ईस्ट में कोकोनट भी उगता है, फॉक्सनट, जूट, सिल्क, और सिल्क के ब्रैकेट में आप भागलपुर भी लिख सकते हो विच इज़ इन अ ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ बिहार. तो दिस डायग्राम इट सेल्फ इज प्रोवाइडिंग यू 2 marks and give the special attraction to your overall answer. Then we can write the problem because question में पूछा गया है what is the problem. तो we can write the problem in that manner कि we can provide the headings. Number 1 regional imbalances. तो आपको वो हेडिंग बनानी है जो एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री और जोग्राफी का पार्ट है. रीजनल imbalances, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, पैकेजिंग एंड ब्रांडिंग, मार्केटिंग, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. अब इसके अंदर हम भर देंगे. वी शुड फिल अप दिस. रीजनल imbalances के हम जैसे लिख देंगे दैट बिहार हैज़ बीन गाइडेड बाय फ्लड्स, पुअर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, डेवलपमेंट, high population, all this thing resulting into regional imbalances plus political negligence after independence, because most of the prime minister belonged to UP not the Bihar, इसलिए political negligence था. फिर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, नॉट वेल कनेक्टेड फिजिकल एंड डिजिटल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. तो ये जो फिजिकल और डिजिटल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है इट इज़ आल्सो वन ऑफ द मेजर प्रॉब्लम इन द एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री. इसमें आप वेबर को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दो कि एज पर वेबर transportation is very important, but Bihar is lacking with overall transportation. Then electricity is a base for any industrial development, energy, and Bihar is devoid of energy, and food processing sector or agro based industry need good amount of energy. Then Bihar as a backward region is attracting low investment, even illiteracy level is very high. That's why again the packaging, marketing, branding, this type of problem exists in the agro based industry. Then another problem is law and order. The region is guided by extremism. तो आप यहाँ extremism लिखेंगे, law and order problem which again restrict the overall development of agro based industry or industrial development in Bihar. तो ये अपने आप में ही एक क्या हो गया, प्रॉब्लम हो गया. देन वी कैन मेक वन ऑफ द डायग्राम. अब हम भारत का एक नक्शा बनाएंगे. वी कैन मेक वन ऑफ द डायग्राम. बोर्ड पर मैं बना रहा हूँ. नाउ हियर वी कैन शो द बिहार. बिहार के ऊपर लिख देंगे हम फॉक्सनट, सिल्क, जैगरी, इनके कोड दे देंगे. फॉक्सनट को FX दिखा देंगे, सिल्क को S दिखा देंगे, जैगरी को J दिखा देंगे. देन ऑल दिस गुड्स आर मूविंग फ्रॉम बिहार टू दिल्ली, मुंबई, विशाखापट्टनम, कोलकाता पोर्ट. फिर हम ये दिखा देंगे कि फ्रॉम दिस पोर्ट इट इज़ मूविंग टू यूरोप एंड USA मार्केट, साउथ ईस्ट एशिया, है ना भाई. तो ऑल दिस डायरेक्शन वी कैन शो इन दिस मैप. प्लस हम दिखा देंगे कि द बिहार गुड्स आर आल्सो मूविंग टू दिल्ली, दिल्ली हट, कोलकाता. दिल्ली में ही इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड फेयर, सरस फेस्टिवल, इन सब में जाता है. मखाने हम सबको खाने को मिलते हैं आजकल. फिर एक फ्लो हम दिखा देंगे कि फ्रॉम दिल्ली इट इज़ मूविंग टू अदर पार्ट्स, बेंगलोर, पुणे, चेन्नई, इवन केरला तक आपको फॉक्सनट दैट इज़ मखाना, यू विल ईजिली गेट फॉक्सनट एंड मखाना. फिगर नंबर 2, द प्रॉस्पेक्ट ऑफ एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री इन बिहार. तो दो चीज़ों पे आप ज़्यादा फोकस करेंगे, फॉक्सनट एंड सिल्क. तो इसलिए हमने यूरोप USA में दिखाया फॉक्सनट सिल्क जाता है, साउथ में भी फॉक्सनट सिल्क. बिहार इज़ अ प्रोमिनेंट सेंटर फॉर इरी एंड अदर टाइप ऑफ सिल्क. फिर नो प्रोस्पेक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा हाई हैं. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज़ अ रीज़न. तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज़ हैविंग a good amount of focus on Bihar and their industrial development. The Mega Food Park Scheme, Krishi Sampada Yojana is especially focusing upon Bihar and their food processing and agro-based industry like foxnut, pressed rice, processed and boiler rice, silk, mango and other processing, because Bihar is also known for different type of mangoes, particularly Langda and Chosa. Then world famous Bhagalpur silk. These prospects are generating because of agroclimatic regions and new government schemes. आखिर में conclusion देंगे that center and the state government, if coordinated in a proper manner, that the from growth pole model we can move towards growth centers in Bihar and growth points. One district, one product scheme can generate a good difference in the Bihar industrial development. It is the time that we can eliminate Bihar from Bimaru state status, and we can develop the transportation, digital connectivity, revival of Khadi Gram Udyog, and integration of tribes India. Jai Hind. So this is a method to write the answer. Aspire is producing this method for the last so many years. We are teaching just 20 to 30 students with the aim that they will score 300 plus marks. And from this exercise we are coming now daily basis. If you liked, then please share with your friends and please follow our videos of geography optional on the everyday basis. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. Good wishes.